The family of a man killed in the London Bridge attack are suing the government after he was stabbed to death by a convicted terrorist. Lawyers for the relatives of Jack Merritt said they had acted following the unfathomable failure of the Home Office and Ministry of Justice to agree to a delay to any legal action until after all investigations are completed. Mr. Merritt, 25, was fatally stabbed along with Saskia Jones, 23, by jihadi Usman Khan during a prisoner rehabilitation event at Fishmongers Hall in London on November 29. Blast Khan, 28, was out on license when he attended the event near London Bridge, organised by Cambridge University's Learning Together programme, armed with 2 kitchen knives and wearing a fake suicide. He was tackled by members of the public wielding a narwhal tusk, a decorative pike, and a fire extinguisher before he was shot dead by police on London. No alternative. Mr. Merritt's parents, Anne and David, his brother, Joe, and his girlfriend, Leanne O'Brien, filed a High Court claim against the Ministry of Justice and the Home Office on Wednesday. Their solicitor, Kate Maynard, said on Thursday that the family had been left with no alternative but to issue proceedings after both departments failed to reach a standstill. She said that where state agents or public bodies, by their acts or omissions, may have caused or contributed to a death, the right to life under the European Convention on Human Rights is in. Claims brought under the Human Rights Act must be brought within 1 year, which meant the Merritt family had to bring their case this week to protect their legal bid. A pre-inquest hearing in the case has now taken place, having earlier been delayed because of the coronavirus. A full inquest is due to get underway at the Old Bailey on April 12 next year. Ms. Maynard added that all the relevant public bodies who are legally represented at the inquest had reached an agreement with the family, except for the Ministry of Justice and the Home Office. She added, Usman Khan was a convicted terrorist under multi-agency public protection when he killed Jack and Saskia on November 29, 20. These circumstances raise questions about the assessment and management of Usman Khan's risk. The lawyer said families normally reach an agreement with public bodies they may take legal action against where the evidential picture is still that means proceedings do not have to be seriously contemplated or issued until after all the investigations are completed, including an inquest. She added that such civil cases are often resolved after an inquest without involving the courts. Maynard said that all the relevant public bodies being legally represented at the inquest who had been approached had agreed to a limitation holiday of 1 year, with the exception of the Secretaries of State for Justice and the Home. Regrettably, this left the family with no alternative but having to turn their minds to protecting their position by issuing proceedings, at a time when they were otherwise focusing their attention on celebrating Jack's life on the anniversary of his death.